The first time I encountered the anomaly, I was just doing laundry. Yes, you heard me right. Laundry. I had been assigned to the research station on Luna 7, and one of my duties was maintaining the communal facilities. Not exactly the glamorous work a freshly minted astrophysics grad expects, but someone had to do it. Throw clothes in the washer. The station AI reminded me for the third time that week. I grumbled but complied, watching the ancient machine hum to life. It was a relic from the early days of lunar colonization, when engineers still believed in mechanical parts over pure quantum manipulation. The anomaly manifested as a slight hitch in the spin cycle. Just a momentary pause, almost imperceptible. But I had been monitoring the machine's performance logs, and that pause wasn't supposed to happen. I reran the diagnostics. Everything checked out perfectly. The next day, the same hitch occurred again, and again the day after. Each time, the pause grew longer. On the fourth day, as I watched the clothes swirl in the water, the machine suddenly displayed a message. Warning! Potential temporal disruption detected. What the hell does that mean? I asked the station AI. I don't know, it replied, which was unusual in itself. I decided to run an experiment. I placed a simple digital timer in the washer during the next cycle. When the pause hit, the timer started running backwards. Backwards, as in time itself was reversing within the machine. I reported my findings to Earth. They sent a team of temporal physicists who promptly dismissed my observations as equipment malfunction. Throw clothes in the washer. They ordered me, wanting to replicate the conditions. The fifth time the anomaly occurred, something extraordinary happened. A small tear appeared in the fabric of reality within the machine. Through it, I could see, or rather, feel, another universe. It was like seeing through water, but the water was made of time itself. Gentlemen, I said to the skeptical physicists, I believe we've just discovered the first practical application of laundry since its invention. They didn't find it funny. But 6 months later, when the first interdimensional laundry service launched, they weren't laughing either. Turns out, people in parallel universes have the same problem: dirty clothes. And now, thanks to my humble discovery, you can throw your clothes in a washer and have them cleaned in a universe where laundry is actually enjoyable. Of course, there are regulations now. You can only send your clothes through once a week, and no radioactive or biohazardous materials allowed. And for some reason, the other dimensional laundry service charges in bananas. But hey, who am I to question interdimensional economics? As for me, I retired from the research station with enough banana credits to buy a small asteroid. Not bad for a guy who just wanted to do his laundry in peace. Moral of the story? Always pay attention to the odd hitch in the spin cycle. You never know when mundane tasks might lead to revolutionary discoveries, or interdimensional laundry services. And remember, when you throw clothes in a washer, you might just be connecting to a universe where someone else is doing the same, hoping to find a way to clean their clothes more efficiently. After all, some problems are universal, even across dimensions,